Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you my yellow rice recipe with a bit of carrots and spring onions, a bit of spaghetti, wake akra. So I have rice, spaghetti, coconut oil, my seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, carrots, curry powder, everything is ready. So if you don't like carrots, you can use any vegetable of your choice. So I start by adding my coconut oil. Next I'll add in my spaghetti and then stir fry it till golden brown. You can even get it a bit more on the darker side. The more crispier, the more yummy. Yes, mine is a bit dark. Yeah, at this point I'll add rice and add my seasoning and then add a bit of salt to it. This is all for taste, so you can choose what you want. Now I'm going to add my curry powder, and what I do is I stir fry everything together till there is no water in, or all the water has evaporated, and the rice has also changed color. At this point I'll add water to it, stir it all together well, and cover it with a lid. Most often when you are cooking rice, you just have to look on the pack the amount of water required. So I'll cover it with a lid now and leave it to cook for about 7 minutes. This one I'll add carrot and spring onions. So you can cut it to any size, any shape you want or you prefer. Now I'll add my spring onions. Wow, look at that. This is also a way, if your kids are a bit fussy and they don't like vegetables, at this point they will eat it. They don't have any choice. They are going to eat it. So I'll wait till it gets like about the rice is almost done, then I add in my veg. So I'll cover it again, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. After covering it for after 2 minutes, I'll take the lid off, and this is my yellow rice, adding a little twist or my own touch to it. So please, if you enjoy watching this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. The sending I'm the channel, you're listening here with the same channel. Listen is the Northern lifestyle macro.